Welcome to my channel. Wi-Fi extender shows connected but no internet, fix in minutes. 1. Restart your devices. Turn off your router and Wi-Fi extender, wait 30 seconds, then turn them back on. 2. Check router internet connection. Connect your phone or laptop directly to the router Wi-Fi and confirm the internet is working. 3. Move the extender closer to the router. Place the extender halfway between the router and the weak signal area for better connectivity. 4. Reconnect the extender to Wi-Fi. Reset and reconnect the extender to your router network using the setup page or app. 5. Check extender LED indicators. Make sure the signal light on the extender shows a stable connection to the router. 6. Forget and reconnect Wi-Fi. On your device, forget the extender Wi-Fi network and reconnect again. 7. Update extender firmware. Log into the extender admin panel and check if a firmware update is available. 8. Disable MAC filtering. Make sure MAC filtering is turned off in the router settings. 9. Reset the Wi-Fi extender. Press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds and set it up again. 10. Check IP address settings. Ensure your device is getting an automatic IP address, DHCP enabled. Thanks for watching.